Hey guys, it's Mama's Little Dogs, and I just went to the general store and got the new Webkinz Bubblegum Cheeky Cat. I didn't register it yet because I couldn't think of a name, but I usually don't really care about the Webkinz codes. I just I don't care about these codes. I just care about the Webkinz because I like to play with them and make videos. So I was wondering I just wanted to make a contest to see who wins this code. If you like Webkinz codes, look at this video and fill in this puzzle. So I'm going to do it. I couldn't think of another way, so I used New Webkinz Java's idea. Just fill in this blank. Fill in the blanks of the letters. Look at it carefully. I'm going to leave it there for a while. You can write it down on a piece of paper so you can figure it out yourself. And the first person to comment below, will get the code. So here it is again. Here's the stuff. So all you gotta do is fill in the blank, and whoever gets the correct answer first, and comment below, whoever gets the correct answer first will win the Webkinz Bubblegum Cheeky Cat tag. It might be a little easy. I didn't make it too hard. So here it is one more time. So yeah. So comment below. Whoever gets it first wins the tag. Hope you get it. Bye.